Hi student, in last lecture we start our second chapter matrices, and in this lecture we studied types of matrices, definition of matrices. Now we see our exercise number 2.1. So question 1 is there, construct a matrix. Construct a matrix of order. Construct a matrix A such that Aij of order 3 by 2. Aij of order 3 by 2 whose element Aij is given by Aij is equal to I minus j bracket square divided by 5 minus I minus j bracket square divided by 5 minus I. Here we have to construct a matrix A of order 3 by 2. So first we write the elements which are belongs to this set of order 3 by 2. So first write the matrix A of order 3 by 2. That means this matrix having 3 rows and 2 columns. This first number indicates rows and the second indicates its column. So this matrix having 3 rows and 2 columns. That means 1, 2 and 3, and columns are 2. So first element is there A11, A12, columns are 2. So second A12. Now next A21, A22, A31 and A32. So this is a matrix of order 3 by 2. Now by using this condition, by using this Aij, we have to find all these elements. So first we find A11. A11. So here what is Aij? I minus j bracket square. So I minus j. Here I and j both are 1. So 1 minus 1 square divided by 5 minus 1. So here 1 minus 1, that is 0. So 0 upon 4, which is 0. So first element we get, that is 0. Now second is A12. So here value of I is 1 and value of j is 2. So I minus j, that is 1 minus 2 divided by 5 minus I, that is 5 minus value of I is 1. So 1 minus 2 is minus 1 and 5 minus 1 is 4. That means the second element is minus 1 upon 4. Now next A13. We don't find A13. Second A21. A21. Here value of I is 2 and value of j is 1. So use this value here. I minus j, that is 2 minus 1 upon, but here we have to take square. Look at this, I minus j bracket square. So 1 minus 2, so minus 1 square. So minus minus it becomes plus. So it is 1 upon 4. Now here 2 minus 1, I minus j square, that is 2 minus 1 square divided by 5 minus I. So value of I is 2. Now 2 minus 1, 1 and 1 square is also 1. So 1 upon 5 minus 2 is 3. Next A22. Again A22. Then I minus j, that is 2 minus 2, which becomes 0. 2 minus 2 square divided by 5 minus 2, that is 2 minus 2, 0, since the value is 0. Next one is A31. Here value of I is 3 and value of j is 1. So I minus j means 3 minus 1 square divided by 5 minus I. So 5 minus 3. So 3 minus 1, 2 and 2 square is 4 and 5 minus 3 is 2 and 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. So this is A31. Now A32 is equal to, now here value of I is 3 and value of j is 2. So I minus j, that is 3 minus 2 square divided by 5 minus I, that is 5 minus 3. 3 minus 2, 1 and 1 square is 1 and 5 minus 3 is 2. So first element A11 is 0, second A12 1 by 4, A21 is 1 by 3, A22 0, A31 is 2 and A32 is 1 by 2. So write all these elements in the matrix A. Therefore A is equal to first element is 0, second A12 is 1 upon 4. Next third one A21 is 1 upon 3. A22 is 0 here. A31 is 2 and A32 is 1 upon 2. So this is a matrix of order 3 by 2. So the elements we have to find by using the given condition of the elements A and J. Now what is second example here? Now second one example. So condition, given condition is there. Aij is equal to I minus 3j. Order same. Aij is equal to I minus 3j. Here order of matrix is same again. Only condition will change here. I minus 3j. So first write our matrix A. A11, A12, A21, A22, A31 and A32. These of order 3 by 2. So first element we have to find A11. So I minus 3j. Here value of I is 1 and j is 1. So 1 minus 3 into 1. 1 minus 3 which is equal to minus 2. Next A12 value of I is 1 and j is 2. So 1 minus 3 into 2. 1 minus 6 is equal to minus 5. A21 value of I is 2 and j is 1. So 2 minus 3 into 1. I minus 3j. That is 2 minus 3 is equal to minus 1. A22 is equal to, that is 2 minus 3 into 2. So 2 minus 6 is equal to minus 2. A31 value of I is 3 and j is 1. So 3 minus 3 into 1, that is 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. Only use the value of I and j in this condition, then we will get all the elements of the matrix. A32, here value of I is 3 and j is 2. So 3 minus 3 into 2, that is 3 minus 6 which is equal to minus 3. So write the all elements in the matrix. Therefore the given matrix is therefore A is equal to, first element is minus 2, minus 5, minus 1, minus 2, then 0 and next one is minus 3. This is our second matrix A whose condition is I minus 3j. Now there is one another example, that is Aij is equal to I plus j bracket cube divided by 5. So you should try this and write it in your notebook. So second question we will take here. So what is second question here? Classify each of the following matrices as a row, column, square matrix, diagonal, scalar, unit, upper triangular or lower triangular matrix. In last lecture we see all the types of matrices. So first one example is there, 3 minus 2 4. We have to classify the matrix. Which type of this matrix? So first one matrix is there, 3 minus 2 4. 3 minus 2 4, 0 0 minus 5 and 0 0 0. So look at this matrix. So here the upper triangle is 0. Upper triangle is 0. All the numbers below the diagonal all the numbers below the diagonal are 0. So this is a definition of upper triangular matrix. Upper triangular matrix. Now second one is there. 5, 4, minus 3. So this matrix is of order 3 by 1. So here column is 1. Column is 1. So this matrix is said to be a column matrix. This matrix is said to be a column matrix. Now third one. 9, root 2 and minus 3. This is a matrix of order 1 by 3. Row is 1 but column is 3. Hence, this matrix is said to be a row matrix. So, this matrix is said to be a row matrix. Now, fourth one example is there. Six, 0 or 0, 6. 6, 0 or 0, 6. It is called as a scalar matrix. It is called as a scalar matrix. Also, we say that this matrix has a diagonal matrix. So, diagonal matrix is a square matrix in which all diagonal elements are same. And if all non-diagonal elements are 0, then this matrix are said to be a diagonal matrix. So, it is called as also diagonal matrix, or we say that it is a scalar matrix. Scalar, or we can say that it is also diagonal matrix. Now next one, fifth one example is the, what is fifth example? 2, 0, 0, 3, minus 1, 0 and minus 7, 3, 1. So look at here, the elements above the diagonal, which all are 0. The elements above the diagonal are 0. And in last lecture, we said that the elements above the diagonal are 0. Then the diagonal is, then the matrix is said to be a lower triangular matrix. Then the matrix is said to be a lower triangular matrix. Now next one, sixth one, 3, 0, 0, 0, 5, 0. And 0, 0, 1 upon 3. So, again look at this. Again here the elements above the diagonal and below the diagonal both are 0. The elements which are above the diagonal and below the diagonal are 0. This matrix are called as a only triangular matrix. If only one, both below or upper triangular is 0, then say that upper or it may be lower triangular, but here both the triangles are 0, so it is called as a triangular matrix. So this matrix is called as a triangular matrix. Next one, last one is there. 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0 and 0, 0, 1. So here all the elements above the diagonal and below the diagonal are 0 and all the diagonal elements are 1. So it is called as a triangular matrix, it is called as an identity matrix, or it is called as a scalar matrix. But here we say that it is an identity matrix, or it is called as a unit matrix also. Identity or unit matrix. So these are some types of matrices. Now question number 3 is there. Which of the following matrices are singular or non-singular? In next yesterday's lecture, we see what is meant by singular matrix or non-singular matrix. If the determinant of matrix is 0, then the matrix is said to be a singular matrix, and if determinant is non-zero, then matrix is said to be a non-singular matrix. So we have to write which matrix are singular and which are non-singular. So first one question is there. And in 11th standard, we study how to solve the determinant A, B, C, P, Q, R to A minus P, next to B minus Q, and to C minus R. So, to check this matrix is singular or it is non-singular, we have to find the value of its determinant. So, consider this as a matrix A, then determinant A is equal to, this is a symbol of matrix and this is a symbol of determinant. So, first write matrix in determinant form, 2A minus P, 2B minus Q and 2C minus R, and solve this determinant. All of you know how to solve the determinant. So first A into, take the product of these two. So Q into 2C minus R minus R into 2B minus Q. Now for seconds, take the minus sign. Remember that the mirror sign is negative, minus B into. Now take the product of these two and P into this. So P into 2C minus R into 2A minus P plus C into, now take product of these two, P into 2B minus Q into 2A minus P, and solve this now. A into, first multiply by Q, so 2CQ minus QR. Now minus 2BR minus plus QR. Minus write B as it is. Next 2PC minus ER minus 2AR minus plus PR plus C into 2PB minus PQ minus 2AQ minus plus PQ. Now look at this. Here minus QR plus QR says we will cancel. Minus PR plus PR. Minus PQ and plus PQ. Now multiply by A. So 2ACQ minus 2ABR minus 2ABR. Now minus 2BPC. BPC. Again minus plus 2ABR plus 2BPC and minus 2AQC. Now look at this, which terms are same? So minus 2ACQ and here minus 2ACQ. Here minus 2ABR, here plus 2ABR. Minus 2BQPC and here plus 2BPC. Therefore, the value of determinant A is equal to 0 since this matrix is a singular matrix. Since the value of this determinant is equal to 0, therefore we say that this matrix is a singular matrix. Now, second example I left for an exercise. Now third example you take. What is third example here? 3, 5, 7. 3, 5, 7. Minus 2, 1, 4. 3, 2, 5. So consider matrix B. Consider a matrix B. Therefore, to check it is singular or non-singular, we have to find its determinant. Therefore, first write it determinant B. That is 3, 5, 7. Minus 2, 1, 4. And 3, 2, 5. And solve this determinant. Therefore, determinant B is equal to, right, 3 into product of these two, 1 into 5 minus 4 into 2. My next middle sign is minus, and 5 into minus 2 into 5 minus 4 into 3 plus 7 into product of these two, minus 2 into 2 minus 3 into 1. Simplify. So 3 into 1 into 5, 5. 4 into 2, 8. Minus 5 into minus 2 into 5, minus 10. 4 into 3, 12. Plus 7 into 2 minus 2, minus 4 minus 3. 3 into 5 minus 8, minus 3. Minus 5 into minus 10, minus 12, minus 22. Plus 7 into minus 7. So 3 into 3, minus 9. And 22, minus minus plus 22 and 2, that is 5 2s are 10. Carry 1. Again 5 2s are 10 and this 1. So 10 plus 1, that is 11, plus minus 49. So minus 49 and this minus 9. So it will becomes minus 58 and plus 110. 1 1 0. So this subtraction is 1 1 10. So write this as a upon 58. So 10 minus 8 is 2. Here 0 and 0 minus 5, that is 10 minus 5, 50. So answer is 52. Determinant B, which is equal to 52, which is not equal to 0. The value of this matrix is not equal to 0. Therefore, the matrix is non-singular matrix. The value of determinant of this matrix is non-zero. Therefore, it is non-singular matrix. Therefore, it is a non-singular matrix. If determinant 0, then it is singular. If determinant is non-zero, then the matrix is said to be a non-singular matrix. Also, the fourth example you should try to solve. Now, we take question number 4. So, what is question number 4 here? Find the value of K if the given matrix is singular. Find the value of K if given matrix is singular. So, first example is there. 7, 3, minus 2 and K. Given that this matrix is singular, that means the determinant, value of the determinant of this matrix is 0. Given matrix is singular. Therefore, determinant A is equal to 0. Therefore, what is determinant? 7, 3 minus 2K. Value of this determinant is 0. So, solve this determinant. 7 into K, that is 7K, minus 3 into 2, that is minus 6. So 7K minus minus plus 6 is equal to 0. Therefore, 7K is equal to minus 6 and K is equal to minus 6 upon 7. These examples, this type of examples will be asked in the exam. If it is singular, then find the value of K. If determinant is singular or matrix is singular, then take its determinant is 0 and find the value of K. Now, what is second example? 4, 3, 1. Consider B. 4, 3, 1. 7K 1 and 10, 9, 1. Again, this matrix is singular. Again, this is a singular matrix. So, write matrix is singular. Therefore, determinant B is equal to 0. 4, 3, 1, 7K 1, 10, 9, 1 is equal to 0. Value of determinant is 0. Now solve. Therefore, 4 into K into 1, K, minus 9 into 1, 9. 4 into k minus 10 minus 3 into 7 into 1 7 minus 10 into 1 10 plus 1 into 7 nines are 63 minus 10k is equal to 0. Therefore 4k minus 4 nines are 36 minus 3 into 7 minus 10 minus 3 plus 63 minus 10k is equal to 0. Therefore 4k minus 36 minus minus plus 9 plus 63 0. Now collect terms of k. Here 4k and here is minus 10k, so it become minus 6k. Now minus 36 9 plus 63, that is 72 is equal to 0. So minus 6k minus 36 plus 72, so 72 upon 36, so 12 upon 6, that is 36 is equal to 0. Therefore the minus sign, so 6k is equal to 36, k is equal to 36 upon 6. Therefore the value of k is equal to 6. So the value of k is equal to 6, and answer of first one is k is minus 6 upon 7. If you are given that matrix is singular, then take the value of determinant is 0 and solve the determinant. Now third example you should try, and in next lecture we see next point of the matrices. Thank you.